Hello audience, welcome. Now this is a tooth. The tooth is being cleaned up. They are removing some foreign body from a cavity on this tooth. Huyu alikuwa anakula nini jamani? What was this person feeding on? Oh, these are greens. These are vegetables. Yeah, they get stuck on the tooth. So as part of tooth hygiene, we remove some flakes. These are foreign body that get attached on the tooth. Dental hygiene is very important. Yes, this person has not been probably brushing their teeth frequently. It has some flakes on the gums at the base of the teeth. So it's being scrubbed off to remove the foreign object and the part covering the tooth. Probably smelly. And that's the clean part. It's been cleaned now. So he's trying to scrub off the other debris to expose the tooth fully, and that's the upper shell. Okay, thank you.